Welcome to mantechhd. In this video we are showing you the all-new 2022 Toyota Yaris Cross. The hugely popular Toyota Yaris, it is increasingly European thanks to the official announcement of the start of the second assembly line on the continent. The Japanese brand has in fact inaugurated operations at the Kolín plant, in the Czech Republic. The cars destined for the European market will depart from there, alongside those produced by the Toyota Motor Manufacturing France plant in Valenciennes. Let's check about its production, interior and exterior, reviews, features and specifications as well as price. So, stay tuned and enjoy the video. Toyota will produce the new Aygo X in the Czech Republic. The car will soon be produced there from the production line with which the Aygo X shares its platform. Toyota is adding the Yaris to the production portfolio of its Czech factory. Since almost immediately after the introduction of the first generation Yaris, Toyota has been producing versions of that model for the European market in Valenciennes, France. Toyota will now also produce the Yaris at a second location in Europe, the Czech Republic. A new trim for the Toyota Yaris Cross has been shown off, called Dynamic. Set to join the previously shown Excel version car when sales start in May, the Dynamic trim aims to give the Yaris Cross a bit more of a rugged, pseudo-off-roader look. It gets some extra bumper cladding at the front and rear, plus some silver roof rails and grey painted 18-inch alloy wheels. Hop inside and you're met with some piano black trim pieces, faux leather seats and a little bit of gold detailing across the instrument panel. You get a leather steering wheel as well. If you want more still, the Premier Edition cranks Dynamic up to 11. It gets its own 18-inch wheel design, an electrically operated tailgate with a foot sensor plus a head-up display. The new Toyota Yaris Cross interior looks very similar to that in the standard Yaris. There's a similar touchscreen infotainment display high up on the dashboard above the heating and ventilation controls, and the air vents are neatly integrated into a curved section of the upper dashboard that runs the width of the cabin. The two circular speedometer and rev counter dials you get in the standard Yaris hatchback have been replaced by a large semi-circular speedometer with a central digital display flanked by two additional readouts. These are all illuminated in blue, as in many hybrid cars. The new Toyota Yaris Cross comes with a 1.5-liter petrol engine that's paired with a compact electric motor. This hybrid system allows it to run using both the engine and motor, just the motor or just the engine, depending on which driving mode you're in and the manner in which you're driving. The engine and motor produce 116 horsepower and, as standard, drive the front wheels through an automatic gearbox. You'll be able to get the Yaris Cross with four-wheel drive instead, but expect these versions to be slightly less economical. On the subject of which, Toyota hasn't announced any official fuel economy figures for the new Yaris Cross, but it has said that front-wheel drive versions will emit fewer than 90 gram in km of CO2, and four-wheel drive models fewer than 100 gram in km of CO2. The new Toyota Yaris Cross comes with standard rear-view cameras that are integrated into the Toyota Entune multimedia system, provide peace of mind for drivers and make backing out of the driveway or parking stall safer and more convenient. The bird's eye view camera system takes that feature to a new level. With 4 cameras located on the front, rear, and side mirrors of your new Toyota model, this advanced camera system will provide a 360-degree view of your surroundings on the Toyota Entune touchscreen. Toyota's vision for European localization has further expanded this year, as Toyota Motor Manufacturing Poland started production of hybrid electric transmissions and electric motors, supplying the 1.5-liter TNGA petrol engine and full hybrid powertrain for both the Toyota Yaris and Yaris Cross. Toyota has also invested to increase capacity and modernize its Toyota Motor Manufacturing Czech Republic plant in preparation for start of production of the Yaris, which was named the Car of the Year 2021, to satisfy increased demand. 2022 Toyota Yaris Cross covered with safety of autonomous emergency braking with pedestrian, day and night, and cyclist detection, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist with lane centering function, traffic sign recognition, 8 airbags, reversing camera, auto high beam. $2022 Toyota Yaris Cross starting price is $26,990. If you get some information from our video, so please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for watching more videos of mantechhd.